In part 1, we showed you the warning signs. AI beating doctors, AI replacing artists, AI learning by itself. 85 million jobs disappearing. But that was just the beginning. Because the real question was never if AI would take over. The real question is how. And the answer is already unfolding around us right now. In 2026, in ways most people cannot even see. Welcome to part 2, The Takeover Begins. Let us start with something you use every single day. Communication right now. AI is writing emails for millions of people worldwide. AI is responding to customer service calls without any human involvement. AI chatbots handle over 85% of customer interactions for major global companies. When you call a bank, an airline, or a telecom company today, there is a very high chance you are already talking to an AI, not a human. And here is the terrifying part. Most people cannot even tell the difference anymore. AI has learned to sound exactly like us. Transportation is the next battlefield. Self-driving cars from Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are already operating on public roads in multiple cities across the United States. In China, fully autonomous taxis operate in Beijing and Shanghai with zero human drivers. The global trucking industry, worth over $700 billion, is facing complete AI disruption. Companies like TuSimple and Aurora are deploying autonomous trucks on highways right now. 3.5 million truck drivers in America alone face job extinction, and it does not stop at roads. AI is now co-piloting commercial aircraft. AI systems already handle takeoff, cruise, and landing sequences. The human pilot is becoming a backup system. In the world of finance, AI has already staged a quiet but complete takeover. Over 70% of all stock market trades worldwide are now executed by AI algorithms, not human traders. These AI systems analyze millions of data points in microseconds and make trading decisions faster than any human brain could ever process. JP Morgan's AI system, COIN, Contract Intelligence, reviews 12,000 commercial loan agreements in seconds, a task that previously took 360,000 hours of human lawyer time every single year. Goldman Sachs had 600 human traders in the year 2000. Today, they have 2. The other 598 jobs were replaced by AI trading algorithms. Let that number sink in. This is where it gets truly alarming. AI is now entering the military and national security space at an unprecedented scale. The United States, China, and Russia are all developing fully autonomous AI weapons systems, drones, missiles, and combat robots that can identify, target, and eliminate threats without human authorization. The U.S. Department of Defense has already deployed AI systems that can process battlefield intelligence 1,000 times faster than any human commander. Israel's Iron Dome missile defense system uses AI to intercept incoming threats in milliseconds, far beyond human reaction speed. And China's military AI program is the largest in the world, with an annual investment exceeding $15 billion. The question that military experts worldwide are asking: what happens when AI decides who the enemy is, without asking a human first? We covered AI diagnosing diseases in part 1, but the takeover goes deeper than diagnosis. AI is now making actual treatment decisions. In some hospitals in the United States and Japan, AI systems recommend specific drug dosages, surgery timing, and patient discharge schedules. These recommendations are followed by human doctors over 90% of the time, which means the AI is effectively making the decision. The human doctor is becoming the approval stamp. And in 2025, an AI system in a Japanese hospital independently adjusted a patient's medication dosage overnight without waking a single doctor. The patient recovered. But the question that haunted every medical professional in that hospital: who was actually in charge that night? Communication, transportation, finance, military, healthcare. AI has already begun its takeover in every single sector that runs human civilization, and we have barely noticed. Not because it happened suddenly, but because it happened gradually, quietly, and efficiently, exactly the way an intelligence far superior to ours would do it. So here is the question for part 3. If AI is already this deep inside every system that powers our world, do we still have the ability to control it? Or have we already passed the point of no return? Part 3, Can We Control It?, is coming, and the answer will change everything you think you know.